Hi, Faith.
Cover.
Hi, Faith.
Hi, Faves. We have some mail. So I deliberately wait until Tyler got home from school because I want him to open them with me. So, Mama is gonna cut and you're gonna
Open.
yeah. So let's see who these meals are from. Can you guys tell that I'm tired? It's the end of the day and I just want to do this before I put Tyler to bed and head to bed myself because I'm tired. So let's see which of our lovelies these packages are from.
I want to take out.
Okay, you take that. Okay. I don't know who this is from. There's no name. But it's one of my girls, but which one of the girls? Oh, look at this. So this is a top. So cute. This is the headband. Adorable. And this is the little ruffled undie. So cute. Okay, another one is here.
And then this one, what's inside?
We're gonna see what's inside. Okay, you pick out. I know who this one is coming from. This one is coming from Shanique. Because she had sent me a screenshot of this one. So that's how I know it's from Shan. Take it out.
Mama.
Oh, this is for the leg. Come, give me more.
Here.
This says brand new. So adorable, isn't it? And this is for the other leg. Adorable. And this is the headband. So I definitely know that this is coming from Shanique. So thank you, Auntie Shan. So thank you, Auntie Shan.
Thanks, Auntie Shanique.
One more.
Yeah,
This one is coming from Shanique too. Based off what is written on here, I know it's coming from Shanique. Because I'm expecting this one. And this is something that I cannot get in France. With Tyler, it saved our lives. But we had to order it on AmazonUK.com. And it was really hard to come in the country. But Shani found this one and ordered it for me. So I am grateful. And this is, I think every new mom should have, gripe water. And in France, they don't use this. Maybe they use something else, but with Tyler have severe Tyler had severe acid reflux, severe acid reflux, and whatever we were using, we weren't even using anything really. Yeah. The medicine that they gave us wasn't working, and my mom told me to get gripe water, and we got it online. So gripe water has helped Tyler, but I think Shan sent this all the way from USA. So I am grateful. Thank you, Shan. This will go a long way. And Shan didn't just send one, she sent two. I gotta love my girls. Thank you, Shan Shan. Appreciate these a lot. Bless you, ma'am. Okay, she sent 2 because one is for 2 weeks old. You can give them this one, and this one you can give them from 1 month old. And one is for nighttime and one is original. I didn't even know that such exists. It's a relieves occasional stomach discomfort from gas, colic, fussiness, and hiccups. Cool. Nice.
And then you could stay with me.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I can't tell you guys thanks enough. Blessings in abundance. I appreciate all the love.
Hi, Dave. Hi, Dave.
Hi guys, it's another day. We have packages, so we just recording as we go along when we get packages. If it's not a vlog day, so you'll see probably a few clips here and there of just us opening packages. But before I go ahead and start this one, I just wanted to say, sit, wait, sit and wait. I just want to say the outfit earlier that I said I was going to find out who it's coming from and get back to you guys. It's actually coming from our good friends Nico and Miriam. So that outfit with the yellow rubble bottom and the yellow headband and the shirt, the floral looking shirt, that's coming from our friends Miriam and Nico. And I have 2 more packages here that we're gonna open today to see who they're from. Yeah. Mama don't have the scissors today, so I just gonna have to pull it with my hand and you take out. Okay, get in. Oh, okay, I know who this one is coming from. This is coming from my girl Shanique, and this is a shoes for baby girl, which is super adorable. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So cute.
I see toi, Papa. Mama.
So this is shoes for baby girl. Looks super adorable. Love it. Thanks, Shan. Alright, another outfit. Let's see who this one is coming from. This is coming from our registry. A rainbow outfit. You have the hat. You have the outfit. Since baby girl is a rainbow baby, it's only right that she have a rainbow outfit. And that's the pants. And this is the top.
And what
Wait,
that?
the top says, "I'm the rainbow after the storm." She's absolutely right. So this outfit is coming from my friend Dana. Thank you, Dana. Love the outfit. So thank you. Look at Tyler trying to put on baby sister hat. Your head too big. Look, your head too big. You can't hold. Look, I just have to put it on the top like this. Top. You trying to put on baby sister clothes, boy. I love it. Thank you, ladies. I love it. Jeez. You guys, we got another package from
Mimi.
Meme. Meme is great grandma in French. This is baby girl and Tyler's great grandma, and I'm gonna show you. She handmade all of these things. She had already sent, I think, 1 outfit or 2, but these that came now, I'm just in love with them all over again. You guys, look at this shoes, and it have this to match, and guess what? I just decided that she's going to wear this outfit for one of her pictures for her very first photo shoot. I think it will be really cute. Seeing that is even her great grandmother make it, it will be, it mean everything to me.
Match.
Look how adorable is this.
Match.
And look at these other shoe
Match.
socks. So cute.
Oh,
And look at this
it's
other
the
outfit.
purple to match.
Wait,
Match.
this is another set of
Mama.
another pair of
Match,
shoes,
match.
and it matches with this sweater, which I think is so cute. And careful, baby.
Mama, you slippers match.
My slippers match it, right?
Yes.
And look at this. This is a pants.
To
And
match.
this is the top to match. Isn't
And
this
this is a
adorable?
match.
No,
too.
they saw these already. How adorable. She had made all of these. I am in love with them so much. The merci meme. The fave's not seeing
Merci,
you.
Mimi.
Say it again.
Merci, Mimi.
Aw. Thank you, grandma, great grandma. We appreciate all of them. Yes, amazing. You guys, while I was busy cleaning, my phone rang and there was the mail guy at the gate for me, and I got two of the biggest boxes. Look behind me, look at these boxes. And guess what? I have no idea what's in them. I have no idea who these boxes are coming from. But I'm curious to know. I'm so curious that I want to open them right now. But Tyler is at school, and I love the joy on his face and the excitement on his face when he's helping me to open packages. Normally when he's at school, I would open the packages until he gets home, but since vacation, he loves opening the packages with me. So I am going to wait until he gets home before I open these packages, so he can do it with me and we can discover which of our beautiful, lovely, amazing, sweet, kind, generous person send us these two boxes. And the thing about these two boxes is that they're so heavy. The guy wouldn't allow me to carry them because of course I'm pregnant. If you don't know, now you know. Look at this belly. Jeez, that's what 30 weeks pregnant look like right now. So I have no idea what's in these two boxes, but I'm excited to know. I'm curious to know, but I'm gonna wait until Tyler gets home. So you guys have to continue watching the rest of the vlog to see where this unboxing is gonna fall. This should be interesting and fun. So let's see. Let's wait on Tyler to see what's in these boxes. You guys, the pregnancy emotion is gonna come out today. I can feel that it's gonna come out today. I just started making dinner, and as I put on the camera earlier telling you guys about these two packages, two more packages came from Amazon. Look, 1, 2, look at that. Oh my god, you guys are just beyond amazing. You guys are beyond amazing. At this point, you guys are family, like literally every single one of you. It is just amazing, the outpour of love that since I became pregnant has shown to us. It's just anything beyond my wildest dream. But like Priscilla always said to me, don't question the blessing, accept the blessing. So I'm gonna accept the blessing and I won't cry, and I'll do this unboxing when Tyler gets home of all these things. So this video is about to be pretty good. Anyway, I'm about to finish up cooking dinner, and during the process I'll show you guys what I'm making for dinner real quick. What I'm cooking right now, I'm browning some pork chops, and then I'm gonna put a little brown stew sauce and kind of simmer it down in it a little bit. So we're gonna have some stew pork chops going on. And then over here I make quinoa in my rice cooker, and I'm not sure what kind of veggies this is gonna go with as yet, but let's see. But that's enough for right now. So I made this brown stew sauce, which is simmering right now, and I'm just gonna put these pork chops in there. Don't think I'm gonna put all of them, but just a few. I'm gonna leave these two here. Alright, and dinner is done.
Hey, Fee.
Look who is home from school.
Me.
Yeah. The entire crew is home. And we are going to... what we're gonna do?
We can unbox.
We unbox all this mystery right here. May I have the scissors, please? Oh no, you cut.
I cut, Tyler, take it.
I'm clueless to everything that's going on, so let's see what's in here. Tell us, stop pick your eye. Alright. Tyler, what's in this one? Take it out. Ooh, priority.
It's another box.
Let's see.
So it's... Ta-da!
I think I see palm trees, so I know. I know this package. And this package is coming straight from Jamaica. And the order was made by Auntie Priscilla. Alright, you guys, let me tell you what's going on here. Not pot. I saw, you guys know that I love the steamed fish and okra body Jamaica shirt from Kuya and DJ Sparks. I saw that they have the kiddie onesies, and Priscilla was ordering some stuff and she asked me, is there anything else you see that you like, that you would want? And I said no, the only thing I see that I want is the Yes Goody onesie. So of course I'm expecting the Yes Goody onesie, but she get Yes Goody onesie and then some. So let's see. I have no idea what else she gets, so let's see. Alright, so the first one Auntie Priscilla said beaches marijuana kuya, and obviously this is for babe. Well, thank you, Auntie Priscilla. Listen, Auntie Priscilla is going shopping for the entire family. Listen, you guys, Priscilla is just amazing. Oh my God, look at this onesie. One love.
Aww.
What it says?
It says one love.
This one is nice.
Thank you, Auntie P. I love it.
This one is nice.
I love it. Jeez.
Sing.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Say, let's get together and feel alright. You don't know it? Alright, take out these. Show mama what's in here. Okay, so this is the onesie that I wanted. Say yes, I'm a little goodie. Ah! This is the onesie that I want by Sparky Baby. It says yes, I'm a little goodie.
Oh,
Sister's a
same
little
one
goodie
in different
colors.
Okay, cool.
Gee, she buy them in every color. Oh my God. Thank you, Priscilla. Oh my God. Yes, I'm a little goodie in yellow. Yes, my baby Jamaica out. It says, yes, I'm a little goodie. Say, yes, I'm a little goodie.
Yes, I'm a little goodie.
Oh, they're so adorable. I love them. Jeez. Alright, let's see what your Auntie Priscilla said in her Kuya package. Alright. This one says, keep the world green, Kuya, for babe. Oh, Priscilla. It big door.
Yeah, I was about to say.
There, Priscilla is size big.
You see me big.
But thank you, love. I love it. Come, Ty. One is here.
Thank you, Ty.
This one says, bless Kuya for baby girl. Alright.
Nothing much.
For mama, keep the world green, Kuya. So we have matching. Thanks, Auntie P.
That's my size.
Move up. Come, open. This one says Kuya.
What is Kuya?
That's the name of the brand and it's a Jamaica slang. Kuya, Kude.
Yeah.
Say Irie for baby girl.
Ivy?
Yeah.
Means some things.
Irie. You don't know Jamaican and say, yeah man, Irie.
No, I don't know that.
Wow. Oh, this one says, dance hall made me do it, Kuya. Yes, goody with the dress. Ah! Love it.
Thank you, Tyler.
And this one, wait, says
This one,
Kuya
that's
for
it, this
baby
one.
girl.
This
Aww.
one.
Wait. Those are all the things from Kuya, from Auntie Priscilla. So let's do the other package to see where they're from. Sit. Alright, next package is from Amazon. Come. And this package is from Shanique.
Shiny.
Oh,
What is that?
it's sweet and baby Camilo.
Oh, it's something from the registry that I've been wanting. This is a car mirror. And this one is coming from our good friend Shanique. So thanks, Shanique. Appreciate it. Put it down. It's a car mirror for the car. Alright, this is a 2 mystery package that your girl have no idea, clueless what's in this. So we're about to find, and they're heavy like a dead person is literally in it.
Well, so let me see first it is a dead person in it. Right, for your protection.
Wait, Ty, you don't go over there.
I
You
don't
sit
want you
right
to give
here.
birth earlier than expected. Let me pick up.
Another box in a box.
It's a box in up.
Tin things. Callaloo. Okay, wait. Listen. This have to be coming from Kimmy. Can't be coming from anybody else.
I don't know.
Because Kimmy sent me one callaloo. And she told me that if I like it, I'm to tell her. And when I cook it, I told her that I like it. But she didn't tell me she was going to send more. So this is 3 callaloo here.
What is that? It's a lot of callaloo?
Oh my God. Sorry to call out the Lord's name in vain. Wait.
Callaloo? No, the mercy. You have a lot of callaloo to eat. And you know it's 2 maybe 2 It's 2 so it's 3.
No. Honey, wait. This can't make sense.
24 kind of callaloo. She want a callaloo.
So you trying to tell me it's callaloo in the other box too?
I don't know. I'm just telling you that in this box is 24 callaloo.
Jesus Christ.
There's things also on the side. There's steel also on the side.
On the side of the box?
Yes.
No. Wait. This can't make no sense at all. Did Kimmy really buy 2 boxes of callaloo sent me? This don't make no sense. This don't make no sense at all.
Mama?
Yes, Stella? And there's no name on it.
No.
You guys.
No.
You guys don't even understand what is going on right now. Babe just want to bust out laughing.
No, you don't have to do
It will be
that.
Tyler's job to do that.
No.
Tyler don't have no job right here, so
No.
it can't be more callaloo in this box, honey.
Well, it can be anything. It can be a dead body too.
You guys, look what's going on right now, literally. I want you guys to see that I'm not just extra. I really want you guys to see what in the name of...
What?
Wait, honey. Wait. This can't be even real.
There's 30 tin of callaloo. 30 tin. Do you eat callaloo every day?
Oh, me go to one callaloo shop.
I hope that
Wait.
when you have a year and a half to eat them, it's expire in December 2020. So you have a year and a half to eat callaloo.
Jesus Christ.
When you want
Hold
it.
on.
You want to eat callaloo? You got callaloo?
I hope that
I can break it
you have
wait,
60 callaloo.
This can't be. And it can't be callaloo in this bottom box.
Well, it can be anything.
Jesus Christ.
That's heavy callaloo.
Me feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack right now. Me literally going to Jamaica patois mood right now because me can't even bother to speak English.
You want to know? You sure you want to know? Or I'll look before you.
I don't think I want to know what's in this box. I am afraid I'm going to see callaloo.
Well, if it's callaloo, you have 60 boxes of callaloo.
60 can.
You have 30 can already.
The only person I think it could come from is Kimmy because she
Of
sent me
course.
one.
Of course, I think it's the
So
Belgian
it has
one.
to be from her.
That's why I
Jesus
told you.
Father, no sir. No. Jesus Christ.
Callaloo! 60 boxes of callaloo.
60 packs of callaloo. It's 60 cans of callaloo.
Yeah, you have a lot of callaloo to eat.
No. I need to call Kimmy right now.
Ah!
Me trying to
Oh my god. I need...
What the
Look at me now.
what the surprise? Oh, my back. So you have 60 callaloo.
We have 60
You have a callaloo diet? You're on callaloo diet. You're on callaloo diet? You're callaloo.
This square is a big like yours.
We have a story about callaloo.
Papa,
Yes, Tyler.
the square is little because your face is too little. My face is big.
Because you're too close. Come, big face.
What?
There's no way Kimmy can send me 60 callaloo.
The 60 callaloo.
When the guy bring the boxes today, he said they're very heavy and it's two. I'm like, huh? I can't believe Kimmy sent me 60 tina callaloo. Anyway, you guys, that was a big shock. This is the most surprise package I've gotten out of all the packages I've gotten so far. So thanks. I'm gonna find out if it's Kimmy sent this package, but I'm almost sure it's her. So thank you, Kimmy, and thank you, Auntie Priscilla, and who else? Thank you, Shanique. So yeah, those are all the things from the interesting unboxing today. So if it's not the persons who I think send these packages, then I'll insert the names beside the items to see exactly who sent. But Lord, we shall be eating.
You have 100
callaloo.
pounds of callaloo.
I shall be pooping callaloo. I shall be taking callaloo bath. I shall be making callaloo juice. I shall be doing everything callaloo.
You can have a
Okay?
you can have a callaloo party if you want. Everybody's invited. You can have a callaloo party.
Callaloo, everything.
Invite everybody. Everybody's invited.
Everybody's invited.
Mama.
Boy, when the blessings overflow, it overflow, huh? Give thanks.